Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we want to look on how we can increase the speed of a lagging laptop. Maybe if your laptop has been showing a lagging cursor or slow opening apps. So today we want to look at how we can speed up the speed in less than 2 minutes. So I have 3 steps today that we want to look at. The first step is to disable startup apps, whereby you will open the task manager. There are 2 ways of opening task manager. You can right click on your Windows key and then just open the task manager direct here, or you press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, where you will be able to access your task manager from your keyboard. Now after opening the task manager, you can go direct to startup apps, whereby you will be shown the apps that open directly or immediately you appear on your machine. You can right click on each app that you feel that it is not important or you are not using it, so that it doesn't open up immediately you open your machine. Just right click on the app and then click disable. Then this will slow down. In case, even if there are 10 applications that you feel they are not important to you at the moment, just right click and end them, so that they don't lead to a slow laptop. Step 2 is to delete temporal files, whereby we are supposed to delete files, junk files in our machines. So click click Windows key and R, then type in temp, %temp, then click enter. Once you click enter, it will show you the temporal files or junk files in your machine. Highlight all and delete. Remember guys, these are junk files, so there is no data that you are going to lose. Step 3 is to boost performance. Now in your start key, just search adjust the appearance, adjust the appearance, which is here. Click on it. Once you click on it, move direct. When you open this, you'll find that your machine will be on let Windows choose what's best for your computer. Now click on adjust for best performance here, then apply. This will speed up the machine that you've been using. So guys, that's how you fix a slow laptop in 2 minutes. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Comment down if your laptop is now faster. Thank you so much, and let's meet next time.